Guys, as you can see, it's really quiet. I'm in my hiding place. Sorry if you hear my voice and it's like really loud. It's really echoey. Okay, I'm closing the door. I'm trading with this girl. Is Nerf just rare? I don't really know. I don't care if it's not rare. Yeah, I don't care about rares. I mean, I do, but like, I'm getting Fem here today. Hopefully, like, I don't know if I am. Holy crap! Oh, no, what's happening? Hey, she sent it. Right, there. Welcome here. Let's see what it is. Oh, this one. Okay, let's see what color it is. I don't really care if it's how much it's worth. I have two of these. I have one in like purplish pink, and I have one in that color that she gave me. Sorry if I had to log out. It's like really laggy, so Dad's phone, my dad's phone, I could just push it and like the picture happens in like 2 seconds. So yeah. I don't know if it's here, but it's like really echoey. So I'm still hiding, but I opened the door. There. Oh, it's cute. It's cute. That's like really cute. Does that look good? Or I think this looks good in my dang, that was a loud burp, in my opinion. This, yeah. If I get scammed, if I get a trade of this girl, it's gonna give me Fem hair for my mermaid tail and 3 other rares. I don't miss my mermaid tail, but anything for the Fem hair. This is what I mean. Like, it lags red and it starts. No! Wait. I'm just gonna end the video. Bye. Oh yeah, she's scam free. Go on her guest book and put scam free. Anyways, follow your dreams. 1.